Racer 1. Last night, I was having my typical dreams. I thought what I'm about to show in this video was a dream too. I was wrong.
I'm a fighter. I'm a warrior. Creeps and the beast never sleeps.
Nigga, that hoe shoulda known not to fuck with me.
Atem ever truly thinks he is the shit. As I sat to narrate this video, I simply went into screensaver mode. I was in such shock. Dude really thinks his shit is bad. I mean, he actually thinks it rocks. I roamed around aimlessly for a couple of days, not knowing how to feel. Then, we had the whole animal control thing, where they stopped by my house after I was previewing this video at very loud volume, accusing me of raping goats. That's right. I, computer voice guy, was actually accused of being a goat raper. His shit sounds like a goat being straight raped. So when we get to that part, don't turn it up too loud, or who knows what your neighbors might think. But anyway, here we go. It's about to kick off. Racer 1 must be feeling some kind of way now that reality has sunken in. For him. Oh, let's all take a sneak peek at this Nitro guru's machines getting busy. Then I will come back and break it down for you while we review it together.
Why we named it Incinerator. Got that! Eat that, savage boys! Eat that, savage mother! Give me a run by the camera. And that shit ain't no joke either. And that shit ain't no joke either. Now you know why we named it Incinerator.
Because it's garbage?
Just barely in second gear. Oh, they're a fucking animal, dude. Poles will fucking swallow a savage too, man. Savage X46 with a axial 32 in it. Sounds like you got it right, huh? Big ass MMT. So Sloppy, you want to raise? Yeah, where in the fuck King Fubar at, bitch? King Fubar my ass. Holy
no idea who Fubar is. But damn, I would give my left nut to be him. She. Jam Racer 1, I can be Fubar if you like. Just tell me whatever I got to do, and I will do it.
I think the little truck's just been obliterated. Once you sort out the little issues with a Savage, man, they work good. Let's temp it. It's like a speed bump for a Savage. Don't waste your money. Buy a real truck. Alright.
I know damn well you aren't coming onto YouTube, talking all this high power shit. With that trash you are rolling out here, damn, you really do need to get chin checked, don't you? Listen, it's one thing to talk junk on a forum, I am cool with that. It's another thing to talk junk on a forum and claim you are some kind of expert, I am cool with that too. And I am even fine with someone talking junk pretending to being an expert while all along their shit really sucks. And I will go as far as saying I can turn a blind eye to anyone who talks junk on a forum, pretends to be an expert while their shit is really trash, and bullies others on that forum. I can even handle that, too. However, when you are all of the above, and are in position to dictate who can disagree with you, censoring everyone who challenges you, yet you act like you are down with the funk. Now, you got me fucked up. I hand out free smoke to bitches like that. That is just how it is. For anyone saying, ooh, don't let him get to you. Are you crazy?
I love this shit.